Over the past years, I've built a dating life that most guys dream of. Even though I'm not famous, I'm not rich, and I'm not some 10 out of 10 male model. And I used to get ghosted. I used to get ignored by women constantly. I would have average matches, these low energy, annoying conversations that went absolutely nowhere. But once I figured out how to systemize things, how to systemize my dating life, everything really flipped so quickly in the past year alone. And the system I use now, it started getting me daily matches with women who I was actually excited by and high quality dates every single week with beautiful, amazing girls. Real momentum. And it's not just me, bro. Like my client Matt, for example, I'll put him on screen somewhere on here. He hadn't been on a date in over 6 years. No dates in 6 years. In his first week, he had 3 dates. My other client, Aaron, he had been on no dates in over a year. And then in his first month with me, he went on 15 dates. And he also went from getting ghosted by 80% of the girls that he matched with to now 7 out of 8 of the girls that he sends messages to respond. Or my client, Alex, 20 years old, zero mental clarity, completely lost in life. Now he's focused, he's confident, and he's dating his dream girl. These are the same guys, same looks, same cities, same money, just having a smarter system. And here's the thing, bro. Like when you finally understand how attraction really works, it's like the lights turn on. Like you stop chasing them, you stop overthinking, you stop guessing, you stop hating the dating game. And that confidence that you build from winning and dating, well, it starts bleeding back into your career, into your friendships, into how you're there for your family, how you're there for the people you care about, your energy, your mindset, your career. I've taken everything I've learned from 5 years of studying psychology, neuroscience, cognition, attraction, so many different domains of life, and hundreds of hours put into books and hundreds of approaches and coaching so many men in real world reps of talking to beautiful girls in the real world. And I put all of that into the exact system that got me my dream girl, and it got my clients 5 to 15 dates per month without the pickup lines, without the cringiness, without staying at the clubs until 2 a.m., without the fake personas, without spending hours swiping, none of the bullshit. You get the full playbook for less than what you'd spend on 1 or 2 dinners with a girl who's going to ghost you. Okay? And you'll be able to start all of this literally in 5 minutes. I'm not giving you some fluffy BS. I'm giving you word for word texting system to get girls off of the dating apps and into in person. I'm giving you the exact way to approach girls in a way that taps into their psychology in a way that turns them on. I'm teaching you how to become the right man so that you can not just have the skill set, but have the identity as well. And you keep it forever. Okay? So whether you watch it once or 100 times, you're going to have the skill set and the knowledge to change your dating life and your overall life forever. Okay? So I'm Alan. And again, I wasn't the best looking guy for a long time. I wasn't rich. I didn't have some secret trick. I just got tired of feeling like a good man, feeling like a worthy man, but having absolutely nothing to show for it. And now I've built a brand. I've built a thriving relationship with my ideal girl. And I've built a system that has changed so many men's lives. Okay? So if you've been telling yourself, man, now is not the time, or I got to focus on my mission, or I got to make more money, or it'll just happen eventually. Bro, please ask yourself this. You've had years. You've leveled up in every other area. your fitness, your finances, your mindset, everything. But where is she? She's still not here. And that's not fate. It's not because you're ugly. It's not because you're not good enough. It's because of avoidance. Okay? Most men die without ever dating their dream girl because they put their fear of looking foolish or being judged above their fear of dying alone. Don't be that guy, bro. So listen, if you're working hard on your career and you're crushing on all fronts and you're ambitious and you're aiming for more and you want to stop wasting all of your mental bandwidth on dating and start living your best life with high quality women in your corner, I will literally give you the entire system. The entire system. So right now, click below, download the blueprint, and let's build your dating life the right way. You know it's time. Let's do it.